everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a circle pattern plot. So let's start this by importing the required module. So here NumPy is used to generate numerical data such as evenly spaced angles for plotting points, and matplotlib is used to create the visualization. So now we'll define the circle parameter. So firstly we'll define the radius. So this defines the radius as 1. So this defines the number of dots to 50. And this creates the num points evenly spaced values from 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi radians corresponds to a full circle for 360 degree. And now we'll compute the circle coordinates. So for that we'll write So np.cos theta computes the x-coordinate of the points along the circle, and np.sin theta computes the y-coordinate of the points along the circle, multiplying the radius to ensure that the points are scaled correctly. So now we'll create a plot. So for that we'll write So this scatter point plots the scatter plots for dots, and plt.subplots creates a figure and axis to plot on, where ax.scatter uses scatter to plot individual dots at x, y, where color is equals to b dots the blue color, and s is equals to 50, which is the size of each dot. We can increase and decrease as per our convenience. So now we'll set the limit and aspect ratio for the plot. So for that we'll write So here ax.set x limit sets the x-axis limit slightly beyond the circle's radius for better visibility, and ax.set y limit sets the y limit as similarly the x limit. So now we'll hide the axis. So this hides the axis from the plot. And this ensures the aspect ratio is equal to the circle does not appear distorted. So now at last we'll display the plot. And here we'll add a suitable title to the plot. So, and at last now we can check this. So here we can see a circle pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.